Ever wonder if that extra money for premium gas is just marketing fluff? Well, today we're going to break down exactly why these major gas stations in the United States earn the top tier label and what makes each one unique. If you're someone who cares about protecting your vehicle with real facts instead of marketing hype, hit that subscribe button right now. It's actually shocking that over 95% of viewers don't subscribe, despite saving hundreds or even thousands from the information in these videos. Subscribing costs you nothing, but helps us keep bringing you content that dealers don't want you to see. Before we go brand by brand, here is a quick refresher. Top-tier gasoline is fuel that contains higher levels of engine cleaning detergents than what the EPA requires. Why does that matter? Because over time, cheap or low detergent fuel can cause carbon deposits to build up on your fuel injectors, intake valves, piston crowns, and combustion chambers. And those carbon deposits lead to reduced fuel efficiency, rough idling, engine knocking, a loss of acceleration, and costly repairs. Top-tier fuel removes and prevents these deposits. So the brands on this list are not special because of their brand name. They're special because they use stronger, more advanced cleaning additives. Now let's break down each top-tier brand. First up, 76 Stations. 76 is one of the longest-standing gasoline brands in America, and it earned top-tier certification by using a detergent system called Proclane. Proclane helps minimize carbon buildup in fuel injectors and keeps intake valves spotless. Drivers often report smoother acceleration and improved throttle response after switching to 76 consistently. It's particularly strong for performance engines, giving you clean injectors and that smoother acceleration we all love. Next, we have Arco. Many people think Arco is a budget fuel option because they focus on lower prices and often prefer cash or debit payments. But what most people don't know is that Arco is top-tier certified. Their gasoline includes a high-quality detergent blend that meets the strict top-tier standard, meaning you get excellent engine cleaning performance at a lower price. It's affordable, uses strong detergents, and provides much better cleaning than the EPA minimum requires. It's proof that you don't always have to pay a premium for quality. Next up is Chevron, a name that's almost synonymous with one powerful word: Techrin. What is Techrin? It's one of the strongest fuel system cleaning additives in the entire industry. It's so effective, in fact, that many mechanics will actually recommend running a single tank of Chevron fuel through your car to clean out minor fuel injector problems. That's how good it is. Techrin aggressively fights against carbon buildup, which is a major enemy of engine health, and in doing so, it helps restore power that may have been lost over time. This makes it especially great for older cars and high-mileage engines that need a little extra TLC to keep running strong. Then there's Citco, another very reliable top-tier brand. Their special detergent formula works hard to keep your intake valves and fuel injectors clean, while also reducing those nasty deposits in the combustion chamber. If you live in an area where you can't easily find a Chevron or Shell station, Citco is an excellent alternative that offers solid nationwide coverage and strong deposit control to keep your engine happy. Moving on to Conoco. Conoco is part of the same family as Phillips 66 and 76, which means they all share the advanced Proclane detergent system. This is a big deal. Using Conoco fuel helps your engine maintain smooth performance and prevents that gradual, sneaky buildup that can slowly eat away at your fuel economy. It's a fantastic choice for your daily driver, helping you get the most out of every single gallon. Now, let's talk about a fan favorite, Costco Wholesale's Kirkland Signature Gasoline. If you're looking for value, this is hard to beat. Costco gasoline is one of the best deals in the country. It's fully top-tier certified, meaning it's packed with excellent cleaning detergents, but it often costs significantly less than other big-name stations. Costco is famous for its strict quality control and incredibly consistent additive levels. What does that mean for you? It means you're getting high-quality fuel every single time you fill up, without any guesswork. Next, we have Exxon. Exxon gasoline uses a premium detergent system specifically designed to keep your fuel injectors pristine and help your engine maintain its peak performance. It's particularly effective for modern engines, which are more sensitive and rely on precise fuel delivery to run efficiently. If you have a newer car, Exxon is a fantastic choice to ensure it gets the high-performance cleaning it needs. If you're in the Midwest, you're probably familiar with Holiday station stores. Holiday is a popular brand in the region, and for good reason. It's top-tier certified thanks to the advanced detergents they blend into all their gasoline grades, from regular to premium. Drivers love Holiday for its consistent fuel quality and the reliable engine performance it delivers day in and day out. It's a true Midwest favorite. Also gaining huge popularity in the Midwest are Quick Trip and Quick Star. Their fuel is also top-tier certified, and they're not messing around. They use enhanced detergents that are specifically formulated to reduce injector deposits and maintain clean intake valves. Plus, they're known for great customer service, which always makes the fueling experience better. You can count on very consistent top-tier quality every time you visit. Let's talk about Marathon. Marathon gasoline includes a certified additive blend that either meets or exceeds the strict top-tier standards. This means you're getting dependable, clean-burning fuel that's great for both your daily commute and long road trips. With reliable coverage across the U.S., Marathon is a solid choice wherever your travels take you. Now for a brand known for premium performance. Mobil. Mobil has a reputation for high-quality fuels, especially its premium-grade gasoline. They use advanced detergents that work exceptionally well for today's high-tech engines, like turbocharged and direct injection models, as well as high-performance cars. If your car demands the best, Mobil's high cleaning power is an excellent option. Next is Phillips 66. As we mentioned earlier, Phillips 66 uses the same powerful Proclaim detergent technology found in 76 and Conoco. This detergent package is all about maintaining the health of your fuel injectors, preventing power loss, and keeping your engine running as efficiently as possible. Users often notice smoother acceleration and better overall performance. Last but certainly not least, we have Quick Trip, or QT. Quick Trip is consistently one of the highest-rated gas station chains in America. And it's not just for their clean stores and amazing snacks. Their fuel quality is top-notch. QT is known for extremely clean stations, strict fuel quality testing, and reliable top-tier detergent levels. Their fuel is remarkably consistent from state to state, which has made it a huge favorite among long-distance drivers and road trippers who need fuel they can trust. Using any of these will help keep your engine clean, efficient, and running smoothly for years to come. Next up, Shell. Shell is a giant in the fuel world, and for good reason. Their top-tier gasoline features what they call a nitrogen-enriched cleaning system. What does that mean for you? It's designed to fight off nasty carbon buildup, especially under the extreme heat that modern engines generate. Direct injection engines, I'm looking at you. So with Shell, you're getting nitrogen-enriched detergents, fantastic heat protection, and a formula that's excellent for the long-term health of your engine. It's a solid choice for keeping those sophisticated engine components clean and happy. Moving on to Texaco. If the name sounds familiar in the world of fuel additives, it's because Texaco uses the legendary Techron additive, the very same one found in Chevron gasoline. This isn't just any detergent. Techron is famous for its incredible cleaning power. It goes to work on your entire fuel system, cleaning everything from the fuel injectors and intake valves all the way to the combustion chamber. This means you're getting superior carbon removal and robust long-term protection against future deposits. If you want a deep clean for your engine, Texaco is a brand you can trust. And let's not forget Valero. Valero has built a reputation for providing clean-burning fuel at prices that are often very competitive. But don't think you're sacrificing quality for value. Their gasoline is also top-tier certified, meaning it contains a strong detergent blend. This system helps keep your fuel injectors and valves clean, which in turn leads to smoother performance and reliable operation. So if you're looking for a great balance of clean-burning fuel, strong cleaning power, and excellent value, Valero is definitely worth considering on your next fill-up. So there you have it, a closer look at some of the major gas stations in the United States that have earned that top-tier certification by providing cleaner, higher-quality fuel. But why does this matter so much? Whether you're driving an older car, a high-performance turbocharged engine, or a brand-new vehicle right off the lot, using top-tier gasoline makes a real difference. It helps reduce those harmful carbon deposits that can rob your engine of power. It improves fuel efficiency, saving you money at the pump. It helps maintain that smooth, responsive acceleration you love. And most importantly, it helps extend the life of your engine. If you want your engine to last, choosing top-tier gas is one of the easiest and smartest decisions you can make. I'd put a link in the description below so you can check out the complete list of all the gasoline retailers that offer top-tier certified fuel. It's the official list from the top-tier website and includes brands in the US, Canada, Mexico, and more. If you enjoyed this breakdown, do me a favor and hit that like button, and be sure to subscribe for more car maintenance tips, fuel guides, and everything you need to know to protect your engine. I want to hear from you in the comments. Which top-tier brand do you trust the most? Let's get a discussion going. Thanks for watching, and drive safe.